Welcome back to Jude and TV. Like and subscribe. I'm ready. Let's play.
It's your turn. You go.
What's wrong with your cat? How did he got sick? How you fall? He fell from the tree. Don't worry, I'll check your cat. See? Check. I don't like please. Is your cat going to be okay? There's a good cat. Cat's dying!
Oh no!
Yeah, he's breathing. 8 lives left. I'll back to normal. Mouth, Mila, your cat is. Uncle Doctor, you're welcome. Bye. See you later. 8 lives left. That's like 7.
Okay.
Let's play.
Oh, okay, let's go. Oh, hello, Doctor.
What's happened?
Oh, Slinky, she broke her paw. Can you check, Doctor?
Okay.
Looks like a broken ball. Don't worry, we'll fix it. See what I got. Banji, dun dun. All done.
Nice.
Definitely. Who's made a good job for our tree? Got it in my treasure chest. I couldn't get my food in my treasure.
Nice.
There you go, girl.
Oh, hey, you are. Oh, it looks much better. Thank you, Doctor. Thank you. Bye. Next patient, please. Oh, what happened to your listen? Can I help you? What happened?
He's not eating.
He's not
Oh, no.
eating. Okay, don't worry. I'm gonna check your listen, okay? Okay.
Is anything in his eye?
Yes, I think I know what I have to do. I need some injection. Oh, wait. Oh, what are you doing? What? Okay, going. No. That is Run! Run! Okay. We're gonna do some injection. Oh, it looks it's working. Now we're gonna give some food. Okay, wait. I'll give you some food. Don't worry. Let's see if he's gonna eat now. Oh, he wants to go back to you. Oh, look! I got some bugs. Now we're gonna see if the lizard is gonna eat him.
That's one giant bug.
Oh, looks like he's feeling much better, Jude. Hey, you what? You can go back